cash tripping. Pull up, beat the block like an ass whipping. Stash box, keep the stash in it. Racks in it. Bought that bitch a fashion overdress just to see her ass in it. Twerk on my Instagram. She just got 100 missed calls. It's her man. Damn. Oh, that's your nigga now, huh? Said you wasn't with him, now you with him now, huh? Things different now, huh? You committed now, huh? Guess I can't hit it how I hit it now, huh? I flex on her for fun, but I do not play around. S on my chest, and I keep a cape around. Gang with me, yeah, I keep like 8 around. Even when you think they ain't around, they around. Whoa, we ain't playing for no, you don't wanna take
Just get down.
thinking about my next move and my thinking check. This cherry on my shoulder and it's skin.
No.
I've been through a lot of bull, and they can't stand me because I'm misunderstood. And I need a bad bitch just to give a good. And girl, I like to eat, I hope you like a good.
That's why you need to go here. Beautiful morning. Okay, so now Jonathan Paul is gonna go up there because he said that I was trying to break his back for no reason. So he's gonna go up there.
I'm rich and they fucking hate it. And while they looking mad, I'm just looking good. Hey, I feel like flexing. Bitches call my phone, don't feel like texting. My Louis clothes is French, that's what I'm dressed in. Dior my cologne, she said my sin is her obsession. I became possessive, soon as the money came in my possession. I'm selfish, no question. My alarm is set to every second, no resting. My haters spend a lot of time with me, I'm their best friend. I'm their best friend. Go 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 best friend. Hey, teacher said you'll never make it. Turn my textbook to a checkbook. I put food on the table, and I did that without a cookbook. I'm rich and they fucking hate it. And while they looking mad, I'm just looking good. Hey, and while they looking mad, I'm just looking good.
Yes.
You know what they call it, Christina?
What? Try putting the nail in now.
No, it's not deep enough.
You made it too big.
That's insulation.
Hmm?
That's insulation behind.
Good. Thank you. Perfect. Are you still zoom out? Wait. And zoom out.
Just one thing or
All of them, but
don't want to close it.
put it here. Here. Can you put it here? Which one should I put it in? To show the price so that I can remember. Miss Kudo here. How cute is she? And cut.